Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the unboxing of the Unity Stamp Kit of the month for September. This is called Harvest Hues. Before we get into it, I do want to say that I decided to continue doing the unboxing and actually the video. Um, it's not going to be the same without my crafty partner in crime, Wonder and Dreamer 555, but we do have something planned for next year, 2024, and we're just finalizing some details. But it's going to be very fun, and it's going to be less cost effective because we're doing it on a different type of mindset, a different goal. But you never know. We might find another kit or some more stamps or different random stuff that we like, and we can do it. I do want to say that she and I did talk about these kits back and forth. I think probably like every month. She was more into the ladies than I was because I have been with Unity for a while now. So I have a bunch of ladies. And then I went crazy one year for Christmas. My aunt was like, well, here's this amount of money. Get what you want. So I went back and I bought a lot of the old kits, the old kit of the months for cheaper than normal because they had them on sale. And I was able to get that. And honestly, when you have one coffee mug in your house, you don't need 25, even though some of us do have 25. I know I have a good amount of coffee mugs because you like them and they're pretty. But, I've decided to discontinue one of my other stamp kits because I never use them. Like they're collecting dust, literal dust, and I don't use them. What's the use in keeping them? So anyway, 2024 is going to be the year of not wasting and being way way more mindset on the things that I actually use. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to continue doing this until I get tired of it, until I get tired of the kits. I still have snooze its, I still have uses in all of them. One snooze it, I'm looking at, I want to do both a snooze it and a use it on the same thing just to see how I feel about it. But anyway, so for this month, it's called Harvest Use, because we're going into fall. We got some wheat right here. This is cute. Now, I'm a sucker for postage, so this is cute. It's a pumpkin. And what does it say? Fall, sweet fall. Instead of home, sweet home, it says fall, sweet fall. Fall, sweet fall. And this lady right here with these sunflowers, this pumpkin. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, we had a pumpkin in last kit. I did a craft with it, I did the creation with it. So, yeah, slow down with the pumpkins. See, we're going to see the size on this one, on the new one. Then we have this um, background stamp right here. We got some socks. And you can just go ahead and put those on because your feet get cold during the fall time, right? And then we have this shoe. This shoe is interesting to me. We have a little ledger. Again, I always get worried about their background stamps because sometimes they don't stamp out properly. We don't have a lot of images in here. We have one, two, three, four, five images, and then we have these two. Like this is a background. That's a background. But we have you are loved. Thanks so much. Thinking of you. Happy Thanksgiving. Warm hugs. This thanks so much, thinking of you and you are loved are really cool because they are cursive. And then we have thankful, beautiful, hello, and remembered. So that's really cool. We'll look at what they have created and we'll look at the stuff they gave us and then we can look at the size of the stamps. So they took this warm hugs. I would have used the warm hugs with her, but that's just me. I like this, but they have like this is Halloween with pumpkin. I'm guessing this is a pumpkin spice drink. I'm not a pumpkin spice person. I'll eat or drink pumpkin, whatever, but I'm not big on it. And then on this side, they've stacked them, which is really cool. They took them, stamped them out, and then fussy cut them out. And whoever this crafter is, I like how they have their little Dollar Tree washi on here. Crystal Minkler. Nice. So they have these papers and they just did that. This is cute. I may case this card just because I like how it is. I don't have this paper, but this is really cool. So that's the inspiration that they sent us. Oh, and then they sent us this. Now this right here is really pretty. That's smart. Yeah, this is a heart with roses through it, cut out in there. Then we had these little pieces. These feel like stickers. So we got some tea, probably like some cocoa leaf, maybe a snail, a bean, some beans, biscuits, tea and crumpets, maybe mint tea, some twine, a little cute little ruler. Then we have this paper. This looks like some hand pressed paper. I could be wrong. I had got this some papers similar to this in one of the papers that I got from Walmart. A tag. They like sending us tags, which I'm not complaining at all. This looks like it has some like print in the back, some newspaper print. So if you've ever used ledger paper, it bled through. That's how I have some old ledger paper from my mom that she had written on, and I had to keep it because you know if you know, you know, right? So I want to keep it, and it's bled through. The ledger is yellow, but it bled, and she wrote on blue ink, so it bled through. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at the stamps themselves. Now I'm curious to see about this pumpkin, and the pumpkin is pretty big. These are humongous stamps this time around. I still have my other one out because life has been life, and y'all. I'll tell you all about it one day. But I think they're roughly the same size. Let's see. So this one is a scotch bigger. Yeah, I know I like pumpkins, right? You know that already. So I do have a snooze it, but I'm curious to why it's a snooze it. But you have to find it out tomorrow. This wheat looks it's big, it's huge. The lady is larger than I expected her to be. This heel, this ledger is going to be good if it actually works. And then this right here. Um, yeah, so you look forward to seeing me create something with this tomorrow. And I already have my snooze it. I have two use its, and I actually have 1.5 snooze it. So anyway, I want to say thank you all for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this. And until next time, happy crafting.